Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Success IAS Study Circle. Let me introduce myself. I am Deepa, faculty in Narayana IAS Academy Hyderabad, Sankaran IAS Study Circle Hyderabad, and Success IAS Study Circle. In this video, we will be learning the concepts which comes under India Yearbook. There is a special chapter called as National Symbols in India Yearbook, which is very important. And you all know that for all the competitive examinations, India Yearbook is called kind of a Bible, right? So this chapter, National Symbol, is also very important. Many questions can be asked from India Yearbook. So let's concentrate upon the national symbols, which are all the different types of national symbols, like national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, etc. In this particular video, I'll be explaining you about the national flag and national emblem. The rest of the national symbols will be discussed in my coming videos. So let's start about the national flag and learn the facts with regarding to the national flag. The color of the top panel, here we have to know the colors which are used in the national flag of the country. India saffron, that is called as kesari, and in the bottom line it is India green. And in the middle panel we can see the white color which bears at its center the design of the Ashoka Chakra, which is in the color of navy blue. It's not only blue, it's navy blue. And if at all you have gone through the previous question paper, they asked one question as how many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra. It was very clear that 24 equally spaced spokes which was there in that particular India Yearbook. It's a static GK, okay? It's 24 equally spaced spokes. And this particular Ashoka Chakra, when they have to print upon the flag, it has to be visible on both the sides. It can be embroidered or printed, otherwise it can be stenciled as well. Very important point is the national flag is not in the square shape. It is in the rectangular shape. Okay? And the length width of the national flag is also very important. That is 3:2 ratio. Okay, that's very important. You must have the knowledge about it. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on July 22nd, 1947. This is before our independence. Before our independence, we decided which flag has to be hoisted on the day of independence. So the date is 22nd July 1947. The color significance, it's also very important. What are the importance of that particular color that has been used in the national flag? The saffron indicates the strength and the courage of the country, whereas white in the middle band indicates the peace, truth, and the Dharma Chakra, which is in the blue color, that depicts the kind of growth. The last band will be explaining the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. Okay? So this is very, very important what it depicts, which color depicts what. The facts. This is, my dear aspirants, it's out of India Yearbook. The facts whichever was given in the India book, I discussed right back slide. Now whatever I'll be explaining, that is out of the India Yearbook. Okay, this is very important. That details like where it is manufactured, which body is related, and unconventional type, what is it, etc., etc. I'll be explaining you to this through this slide. Okay. The regulated body to decide the manufacturing process of the national flag is Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay, that's very important. And cloths that has to be used, that is khadi, silk, or cotton. Only these three types. The standards decided in 1968 and updated in the year of 2008. As I told you before, the khadi or hand spun cloth only, here only I'm stressing, it's important, okay, to be used for the flag. Any other material which is used to prepare the flag is punishable under the law for the imprisonment of 3 years and as well as the fine. Okay, so what I said about the conventional or the unconventional type of weaving. This type of weaving is extremely rare and only 20 or less than 20 weavers found in India who professing this skill. Okay, and there are certain norms that are there which has to be followed, like 150 threads has to be used to get 205 grams of that particular flag weight. So such kinds of important points has to be kept in mind before preparing that particular flag. Where exactly they produce or manufacture this flag? Anywhere can they? No. In India, only in 4 places we have, that means the government has given the license to produce or the manufacture the national flag. That is Karnataka, Marathwada, Barabanki in Uttar Pradesh and in Rajasthan. And this is very important, my dear aspirants, that you have to know that handloom units, 2 handloom units are there in Dharwad and Bagalkot districts of northern Karnataka. Okay, so in this Bagalkot which I am talking, it is also famous for illegal saris, which is a geographical indication of that particular place. Karnataka Khadi Gramodaya Samyuk Sangha, which is based in Hubli. This is the only is very important, licensed flag production and supply unit in India. The only licensed flag production unit is there in Hubli, and the permission to manufacture the flag, the units gets the permission from the Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, and this BIS, which I told you in the previous slide, has the power to cancel the license. This Garak, which is there in Dharwad district, that was having initially the manufacturing license. Right now it is not there. So the next important national symbol is state emblem. So here I have marked out the right marks, whatever marked. No, that's very important that you have to know what it signifies and then where it has been taken from. The state emblem of India is an adoption from the lion capital of Ashoka, which is there in Saranath. Okay, the original one was having 4 lions mounted back to back. Now, after adopting, they edited many things. They removed and added many things like elephant, horse, bull, lion. These are all the very important animals that we can find in our national emblem. Here I have marked a bell-shaped lotus, very important, because I'll explain you further. This Ashoka Chakra or the Dharma Chakra, we can find it in the center, and the right side we can find the bull and left side the horse. The bell-shaped, whichever I told, no, I'll just explain right now. This particular emblem, it was adopted on January 26th, 1950. On the same day, we adopted our constitution. As I told you before, the bell-shaped lotus is omitted. Omitted means it's removed from the national emblem. Satyameva Jayate, that means truth alone triumphs, which is written in Devanagari script. Script is very important, and the script of Devanagari, which is actually adopted in our national emblem, that is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Here, Devanagari script and as well as Mundaka Upanishads are very important. Okay. So, and one more important point is you have to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's fill the gap between the dream and reality. So, hope we will learn many other things in the further videos.